If you're looking to sell your mutual funds, the RIISE app makes the process quick and easy. Start by tapping on View DMAT Holding on the MF homepage, select the mutual fund you wish to sell, and then click on Withdraw. Alternatively, you can head to the Portfolio section and switch to the Mutual Fund tab. Once you're in, you can filter your investments by SIP or Lumpsum depending on how you'd like to proceed with the sale. Next, simply select the fund you want to sell. Tap on the fund name to visit the holding summary page where you'll get a detailed view of your investment. Here, you'll find an option to withdraw. Click on that. You can then choose between two withdrawal options: one-time withdrawal for a lump sum exit or Systematic Withdrawal Plan (SWP) for regular periodic withdrawals. Once you've made your selection, enter the amount or number of units you wish to redeem depending on your preference. When you're ready, just click on Continue and your transaction will be processed with the funds getting transferred to your linked bank account. Download RIISE, your all-in-one wealth app, and manage your mutual fund investments with ease.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.